Yeah.
My friend Margaret, she just
Can I get a
stuff
kiss?
called the Herinator.
Hello? Hello? You wanna come out? What happened? Are you okay? Go Milo. Go Milo. What? Did you fart? You coughed. Who? Mac. What's wrong with you, Mac? Why are you upset? Why did you... Mac! Don't do that. Mac! That's not very nice. Let's go. Come on. Monkey go. Come on. Where's the dog? Hey, Lou. Ow! Look it. Who's that? It's a bird. Hello, bird. Careful, careful. Go, Milo. Okay, go, Nico. Inside. Come on. You wanna go in? Come on. You gotta go in. Come on. Oh, you laughing at me? Are you laughing at me? Why are you laughing at me? Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha.
Hello?
Hello? Bird? Uh-oh. Mac? Don't attack me, okay? Here I come. Kiss. Mac? Ah! Hello? Oh, what are you doing? Where are you going? Give me a kiss. Come on, kiss. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. You can't get in my shirt. Ah! Ow, ow, ow. What? What did you say? Oh, you gave me a kiss? Thank you. Yeah, pretty bird. Hmm? You what? What? What did you say? Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mac. Mac. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay. You gotta go in your cage. Come on. Get off of me. Come on. Ow! Okay. You think that's funny? Ow! 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 What? Did you do that? What? What's wrong with you? Are you upset, Mac? Goodbye, guys. Good night.